Hello, dear students. Today we are discussing our next chapter. This is the first lecture of that is mean to say part 1. The chapter name is Components of Food. In the previous chapter, that is Sources of Food, we have discussed that what kind of foods, from where we can get them, okay, animals, plants. Now what we have to study in this particular chapter, that what are the components of food. So the main components, the whole chapter of this one components of food, two things we have to discuss: components of food, second deficiency, disease due to lack of these components, that how our body get affected or what kind of disease occur if these components of food we do not have. Let's discuss first so these are the two main topics we are going to discuss in this chapter. Let's start from the first, that is components of food. So the main, you can say, the main components of food, the main components are three particularly of food. Any food you can talk, any food. The main components of any food, we divided them into three. First one is nutrients. Second, they possess a roughage. Third, they have water, most of water. So these are the three things you always get from any food. So these are the main components of food. Okay. Now what are the nutrients? Nutrients actually need by human for growth, maintenance, energy. These are the main things which are served by the nutrients particularly. Okay. These are the another parts of components of food. We will discuss them later, but first we will discuss nutrients which are essential for growth, maintenance and energy. So what kind of nutrients? What is nutrients actually? So nutrients are the substance. Nutrients are the substance that an organism needs for what? Growth, maintenance and energy. So now these nutrients we need to discuss first, okay, because it's an essential part of food. It helps us in a lot of things. So what kind of nutrients are actually existing in foods? That's also further divided here. Mainly 4 or 5 types we are discussing here. First in carbohydrates. We are going to discuss carbohydrates. Then proteins. Okay, minerals, vitamins, fat. So these 5 kind of things are the nutrients which are present in our food. Okay, first I am again repeating. Main component 3. Nutrient refers part. Nutrients, what kind of? 5. Now we will study these 5 kind of nutrient one by one. First one is coming carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is what? They are energy nutrients. They provide energy to us. First thing, their carbohydrate nutrient provides energy to body. These all nutrients serve different purposes in body, because you know that it also needs to grow, for maintenance, energy, for all things. Okay, now what the carbohydrate doing? Is it giving growth, maintenance or energy? So I am telling you that carbohydrate are energy providing food or energy providing nutrient. Okay, now carbohydrate is also of 2 kinds. First one is sugar, second one is starch. Sugars like a glucose, fructose, which are sweet in taste. And from where you will get? Easily cane sugar, ganna. Second, fruits. These are available in rich form in cane sugar and fruits, which gives you glucose, fructose, which are quite sweet in taste. So, and they provide instant energy. Instant energy is given. Instant energy given to body by sugars. But in case of starch, they are also providing energy, but they are stored. Starch is stored food of plants, which we utilized. But that is not present, that will not give you instant energy. Starch first get digest, then it will give you energy. Okay, it is also tasteless. So there is a lot of difference between a sugar and starch as well. They are sweet, they are tasteless. They give instant energy, they need digestion for energy. Okay, they are stored in plants particularly. They are not straight stored. They are ready to use at any instant. Okay, so these are the particularly carbohydrates. Sugars you can get from cane sugars, fruits, different kind of fruits. What about starch? So starch you can get from any kind of plants like wheat, rice, maize crop. So these are the rich food in carbohydrates, but in form of starch. Mean to say, first need digestion for giving energy. Okay, and they are also not in sweet taste, but sugars are in sweet taste. Okay, now our next nutrients we are discussing today is protein particularly. Okay, so what is the protein doing? Is carbohydrate like the carbohydrate is providing energy? So does protein provide energy? So answer is quite no, because proteins helps in what? Growth. Proteins needed for what, dear? Growth we need. Okay, so that's why children, pregnant women, and sick people. For sick people need, why? Because of a growth of the cells, of healthy cells particularly. That's why they need. So protein helping in growth first thing. Okay, and that's why children, because they are growing, pregnant women also have womb inside it which is growing. Sick people also need growth of the good cells. That's why they need proteins first thing. And from where we are going to get proteins? Proteins you can get from plants and animals. Okay, so now what kind of plants are providing us proteins particularly? Okay, the proteins we are getting from the plants are known as plants protein, and which we are getting from animals, they are known as animals proteins. So what kind of plants are giving us protein? The rich source is particularly of protein is soybean. Soybean is quite rich plant which provides us protein. Okay. Kidney beans also can serve as a rich source of proteins. So these are the two plants providing proteins in quite richer. Now what about the animals? So animal proteins, if you are needed, you need what? Milk, egg, okay, fish. These are the animals proteins providing food particularly, okay, which is quite rich in milk protein, animal protein, which is needed, you know why, for growth. Okay, so you very well understand that why protein are needed and from where you can get it. Okay, now so we studied two kinds of nutrients: carbohydrates, energy providing; proteins, growth providing. From where you are getting different things. So today you will complete up to here. So read, first thing you want, read up to the proteins section. Okay, next thing, solve activity 1 and 2 in rough notebook. This is your homework. Okay, thank you.